If you're looking to host virtual conferences, Livestorm is one of the most powerful tools for the job. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Livestorm for virtual conferences step by step, so you can get up and running right away. Stick around until the end for a special bonus that will let you try out Livestorm for free, with exclusive extended access that you won't find anywhere else. Livestorm allows you to create seamless virtual events with ease. To start, all you need to do is sign up for an account. Livestorm has a simple interface that's designed to get you up and running fast. Once you're signed in, the dashboard is your command center, and it's incredibly user-friendly. From here, you can create your first event. Click on the Create Event button, and you'll be prompted to choose between a webinar, a meeting, or a pre-recorded session. For virtual conferences, webinars are typically the go-to option. Once selected, Livestorm lets you set the time, date, and add a title. You can also customize the look and feel of your event, including branding it with your company's logo and color scheme. After setting up the basics, it's time to configure your event's features. Livestorm offers a wide range of options, such as adding interactive elements like polls, Q&A sessions, and even live chat. These features are critical for engagement in a virtual conference, and Livestorm makes it simple to activate them. The goal here is to make your event feel as interactive and engaging as possible, even though your attendees may be in different locations. One standout feature in Livestorm is its ability to integrate with third-party tools. You can sync it with platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce to track leads or gather data on attendees. This is especially helpful for marketers and sales teams who want to turn virtual conferences into valuable lead generation opportunities. When you're ready to invite attendees, Livestorm generates a unique link for each event. You can easily share this link with your audience via email, social media, or even on your website. You can also set up automatic reminders for attendees so they don't forget about the event, which is a great way to improve attendance rates. As your event gets closer, Livestorm lets you customize the registration page. This is where you can ask for additional information like job titles or company names, which can help you tailor your virtual conference experience to your audience's needs. Now let's talk about the live experience. When it's time to launch the virtual conference, everything is hosted directly within Livestorm's platform. As the host, you'll have full control, including the ability to mute participants, highlight speakers, and manage your event's flow seamlessly. You can also share your screen, present slides, and use the virtual whiteboard, which is perfect for interactive sessions or brainstorming meetings. During the conference, Livestorm's real-time chat and Q&A features allow attendees to ask questions and engage with speakers. This level of interaction helps to keep the audience engaged and ensures your virtual conference doesn't feel like a one-way conversation. After the conference, Livestorm provides detailed analytics, which is critical for understanding how your event went. You can track how many people attended, how long they stayed, and how they interacted with your content. This data can help you optimize future conferences and webinars, making them even more effective. Remember, Livestorm isn't just for hosting events. You can use it to manage your event's lifecycle, from planning and registration to engagement and analytics. Whether you're hosting a small meeting or a large-scale virtual conference, Livestorm scales to meet your needs. And the best part? You can try out Livestorm for free through the exclusive link below. This will give you extended access to all its features, so you can test everything out without any pressure. I've left the link in the description for you. Don't miss out. To recap, Livestorm is a powerful tool for hosting virtual conferences, webinars, and more. With its simple interface, interactive features, and seamless integrations, it's an essential tool for any virtual event. So, give it a try with the extended free trial and see how it can elevate your virtual conferences. Thanks for watching, and if you want more content like this, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel.